Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video tutorial on Zapier. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on either start free with email, start free with Google, or sign up with whatever you would like to click. For me to be easier to just start free with Google. If we have a Google account, that is the ultimate choice because it will be the most fast out of the three, because in the other two you have to enter your email address and password manually, but here right now we'll be just redirected to this site, which is I think the main site. Now we just wait a brief second here to load, and after that we're just gonna wait for a second. Now we can try refreshing the site to see if it will be easier for us. Yeah, here it is. So let's get started. Peter, tell us about yourself and discover your use case. So what's our role? Let's say that we're on sales ops. We work in education, and what apps do we use? Let's say that we use Facebook. Here, Facebook. We use Facebook, we use TikTok. We use Instagram. And we use YouTube. And here we click on continue. And how familiar are you with automation? I'm new to automation. I'm familiar with automation, and I'm ready to build custom automations. Let's say that I'm familiar with automation. Our company size is between 149 people, and it's just me. Now, based on your goals, here's a Zap to get you started. Let's just click on try it, and here. Now, here we can learn the basics if we watch a 2-minute video, but we won't do that. So, new media post in my account of Instagram. App and event, Instagram, or we can change it. We can enter Instagram, Facebook pages, TikTok post, new media posted in my Instagram account. Yeah. To which account though? We have to connect to our an account, and after that continue here, and after that connect an account. After connecting the account, we create a page photo in our Facebook pages. After creating a page photo, we also have to connect our Facebook pages. This also leads to we cannot tables, and we can choose an event right here, like custom. We can create a record right here, and table ID. We can choose value like okay, let's just say this. So the table is connected to this, and go complete this step. And again, it just tries to, it just repeats, and it's just as simple as that. We can link assets, we can link a table, an interface, we can set the details to something, we can see in which folder it stores in, we can create a folder, we can do whatever we want, we can set notes, Zap notes, we can see the status right here. We have 3 warning signs because we have to choose an account. For 2 of them, we have advanced settings, we have versions. We also can go to the main page of Zapier, we can create another automation. We also can contact the sales for paid plans for our teams. We can here try to search, like if we search for an untitled, we have this one, but I haven't written it correctly. Again, if we search it, we'll get our result. But here we also have the options for Zaps, tables, interfaces, everything. We also have a dashboard right here. We just again wait for a few seconds to load the tables. So in the tables we can import a file or we can create a blank file. We also have the templates, these. We also have interfaces, apps, and I know when I'll see these things on the bottom, maybe if I zoom a little bit. Yeah, so we can see here the canvas and the chatbots and the interface also. Everything just depends on again your automation skills and the time you are willing to spend in this site and on your business. And now let me show you the plans that are available in Zapier. So here there are 2 plans. No, I meant 5 plans even. 5 plans. The 4 of them are paid, and the one we're using right now is the free plan. And we can see that with every plans we can get different sets of features. We can get add-ons. We can pay yearly or monthly. If we want to pay yearly, we'll get a discount, like I don't know how much percent, but from for the starter plan from $29.99 it goes to $19.99, so $10 off your your monthly subscription is really good. You also have the professional plan, which is you can select how many tasks do you want to have a month. Like if you want to have 10,000 tasks a month, it would gradually just come up the price I'm talking about. And for every plan is that. Just for the company plan, you have to talk and negotiate with the sales teams to select a sum of money that you're willing to pay on the behalf of your company. And yeah, guys, that was it for the Zapier beginner tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.